Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming which Office product you have and where the license lives, because the method changes. Once done, open Word or Excel and go straight to File Right Arrow Account. Make sure you're signed into the Microsoft account you used to buy Office. If you have a 25-character product key, choose Change Product Key and enter it exactly. If you bought a digital license, click Sign In and use that account credentials. This links the license to your user profile. Next, perform the detailed activation steps so Office recognizes your entitlement. If using a key, enter the 25-character code, accept prompts, and wait for confirmation. Office contacts Microsoft servers to validate. If you use a Microsoft 365 subscription, signing in will sync the license and enable features. Make sure you sign into the same account used to purchase. For organizational licenses, your admin may assign a license. To finish, close all Office apps and restart them, then Verify Account shows product activated or an active subscription. Updates may be required, so allow Office to update. If activation fails, run Quick Repair or Online Repair from Programs and Features to fix corrupted activation files, and make sure your device is online and signed into the correct Microsoft account. If problems persist, gather error codes and contact Microsoft support or your IT admin for license reassignment. This resolves account mismatches and server validation issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.